Do you know the evolution of anglerfish? No. Let us explain it then. Here is our flipbook.
The explanation of our flipbook. The evolution of anglerfish. First, the anglerfish starts as a normal fish living deep in the sea. Second, it grows sharper teeth and a bigger mouth to catch and eat food better. Third, its eyes get bigger so it can see well in the dark. 4. It has more gills to help it breathe under the sea. And number 5, its body grows hard scales to protect its skin. And the 6, the fins get shorter so it is lighter and can stay still while waiting for food. 7. Its lure becomes thin and long to call prey from far away. 8. The tail gets bigger so it can swim faster to catch food or run from danger. Number 9. Its fin grows spikes to protect it from big predators. And in the end, the future anglerfish is stronger, faster, and safer in the deep sea.